All rise. Support court with Judge Vanderby is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1065, Cruz case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. All right, Mr. Cruz, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get a reduction in my child support.
Okay.
I recently been working and my wages has been reduced, so I want to see if I can get my child support reducted.
Okay. How much were you making?
Originally, about 100 a year.
All right. What are you doing?
I'm a restaurant owner.
Okay. So now, what are your wages looking like?
About yearly or weekly.
Yearly.
78. 70.
So from about 100 to 78,000. All right. Have you had to lay off employees or anything like that?
It's been hours been reduced.
Oh, okay. Okay. So it took a reduction in hours. All right. Is that it? You just want to reduce because your wages changed?
And I actually have a new wife.
Congratulations.
Yeah, and a newborn on the
Okay.
way. So I got more responsibilities I got to take care of.
You said you have a newborn. The child in this case, how old are they?
Which one? My newborn?
No, not your newborn, the child between the two of you.
4 years old.
4, boy or girl?
It's a girl.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a case that has it all money family drama and a courtroom showdown that's about to get messy today. We have Mr. Cruz, a restaurant owner, who wants his child support reduced because, well, times are tough, or so he says, but his ex, she's not buying it. And oh boy, when we dig deeper, the contradictions start piling up. Is he genuinely struggling? Or is this a financial chess move? Stick around because by the time this case wraps up, you'll be questioning everything. Let's get into it.
4-year-old, who carries that child on health insurance?
Me.
How much is it?
$430.
$430. Okay. You said you have a newborn, so is it $430 now with the newborn, or was it $430 before the newborn?
Before.
Okay. What is it now?
I haven't really checked, but I think it went up a couple of $100s.
Okay. So what are you thinking?
Maybe like 600. 6.
And is that for the whole family, or is that just for the 2 newborns?
2 newborns.
Okay. Well, not 2 newborns, the newborn and the 4-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay. So $600 just for them too?
All of us together.
Okay, so all of you together is $600. How many people are on that plan?
3.
Well, it can't be 3.
Yeah, it's me. Me,
No.
my son, my daughter.
You, your son, what about your wife?
Oh, well, she's not on there.
Okay.
We just recently been married, so we haven't switched things up yet.
Okay, how long have you all been married?
About 3 months.
Oh, okay, so yeah, you are. So it's about $200. If I take that 600 and divide it by 3, it's $200 per person. So for both kids, it'll be about $400. That sound about right?
Yeah.
Okay. So your wages decreased, health insurance somewhat increased, okay? Is there anything else you want me to know?
Is there some more stuff you wanted to know?
Well, I mean, you came to court.
I mean, pretty much. I mean, yeah, that's it. I mean, I've been married. I got a newborn. The restaurant haven't been doing so good, and I just need some help from y'all to help me reduce my child support.
Okay. All right. Ma'am?
Yes.
Is there anything you want me to know?
Yeah, actually.
All right. Are you in agreement to his child support being reduced?
No, I am not.
Okay, tell me about that.
I think it is fine as it is. I don't want to fight to increase it. I think the payment you are paying me is enough. The restaurant that he owns, same business. I don't see there being any less business. The only hours that were reduced were mine because your wife is the manager.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I didn't catch that part.
Yeah.
Run that by me again.
So he claims that the restaurant isn't doing so good.
Okay.
But I think the business is the same. It was just my hours that were reduced, so I had to pick up another job to make do.
Okay, so you, him, and new wife all work together?
Yeah, well, I only work on...
All right, let's hit pause for a second. Mr. Cruz is asking for a reduction in child support, claiming a significant drop in income. He was making $100,000 a year, but is now down to $78,000. That's a decrease, sure, but let's put this in perspective. He's still making more than 80% of Americans. Plus, he just got remarried and had a newborn. So here's the big question. Is this about financial hardship, or is he just reallocating his funds to his new family? What do you think? Does he have a case here?
now, but yeah.
I mean, it's okay. I mean, we all get along. We make things work out for the family.
Oh.
I mean, for the better.
If that's the case, then you all wouldn't be here, right? Because you want a decrease. She's saying no. So you all get along?
I don't understand how it's supposed to pay something that I don't have, really.
But she's saying the business hasn't changed. You're talking about in terms of customers coming in and
Yeah,
things like that?
yeah, I think that
So since Corona
Money is
hit,
going elsewhere.
since Corona hit, our business has took a pretty much significant loss since Corona hit. Our customers.
I can believe that. You
Yeah.
know, that's happened to a lot of businesses.
So we've been trying to recover from that. So her hours may just be from that.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't think your hours got reduced because of COVID?
no,
Why
I'm
do
the
you think
strongest
you're-
server there
Why do you think your hours were reduced?
because his wife doesn't like me there.
Now she's cool with her.
Now this is where things get interesting. The ex just dropped a bomb. Mom, she also worked at the restaurant, and her hours were cut, but not because of slow business. Instead, she suggests it's because Mr. Cruz's new wife, who happens to be the manager, doesn't want her around. Oof, that's messy. If true, it means his financial troubles might not be due to struggling business, but rather some personal vendettas at play. What do you think? Is he tightening the budget or tightening control?
Oh,
I haven't seen
sounds
that.
a little messy.
I haven't seen that. We don't. I don't think just so far as business wise, we don't mix the business with the family. So far her hours, if anything, we gave her extra like 5-6 hours last week.
Okay.
Yeah,
As the dishwasher,
the hours.
So you're saying no, just based on you don't think that the business has changed or anything. Do you have any documentation that you brought with you today that shows his income has not decreased as he just testified to? He says $78,000 now, right?
Yeah.
Besides your belief, do you have any other reason to suggest that maybe he's not being truthful about what his income is?
well, I just think like him having a new child, he doesn't want to support the child he already has to the extent that he can.
Okay.
And I feel like
I take care of all my kids.
I didn't say you don't, but you should, make sure that the one you already have is taken care of. And yeah, I think, just the support is still needed.
Well, I don't think he's saying he doesn't want to support. He's saying he can't afford to support what it was. And if the roles were reversed and you were in that situation, wouldn't you want him to consider what you're saying is true and possibly work with you and reduce your child support?
Yeah, that would be fair.
Okay. Well, I think that's fair too. So this is what we're going to do. Based on your testimony, that your wages have decreased, and you kind of alluded to not that his wages necessarily decreased, but that the business is not doing so well because your hours have been reduced. We may not necessarily know the true reason why, according to what you're saying, but your hours were in fact reduced, right? Which could be a direct result of the business during the pandemic, okay? So this is what we're going to do. Based on your testimony, your new gross comes out to $6,500. That brings your net to $5,157, giving you credit for both of the children that you have, and I gave you credit for your health insurance, okay? The new health insurance amount for $400. I couldn't give you $600 because it's only for the children, okay? So with that, your new child support amount comes out to $825. Based on what you used to pay at that $100,000, your child support was $1,242. So it went down about $300 or so dollars.
So what about the what about the extra hours I was giving her? We're giving her a week.
Wait a second, did you catch that Mr. Cruz is suddenly trying to argue that if his ex gets more hours at the restaurant, his child support should be lowered even more? That's not how this works. This isn't about her income. It's about his. It's almost like he's trying to shift the financial responsibility onto her. And did you notice the judge was not having it? She shut that down real quick. What do you think? Was this a genuine argument or a sneaky?
If we up the hours for her, would that lower my child support a little bit?
If we up her hours?
Yeah, so last week we gave her like an extra 6 hours.
Okay.
So what about if we gave her like maybe 12, 10?
This has nothing to do with her income. This is about yours.
Okay.
Why would you want her working more to decrease your child support?
So she can make more money to help
Pay
me.
for his other baby.
See, now you starting to waste my time. Don't do that. Don't do it. You have a legitimate reason to be here, and you have a legitimate request. Don't be ugly, okay?
All right.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
So that's the final answer for the 800.
That's what I said, right?
Yeah.
I said it went from $1,242 to $825.
But that's like $300 though.
Yeah, but it's giving you.
All right, final numbers are in Mr. Cruz's child support goes from $1,242 down to $825 a month. That's a solid $300 reduction. And yet, he's still complaining now. Let's break it down. This amount already factors in his 2 other children and his health insurance. This is as low as it's legally going to get at this point. Does he have a right to keep pushing, or is he just being greedy? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
That you already have, giving you credit for health insurance. What else could you be asking for? That's all I can do within the realms of the law.
I got a new baby.
And I took that into consideration, which is why your percentage is 16%.
So I'm supposed to pay $800 a month. That's 12 times 12.
$825 to be exact a month. What are you doing?
That's $9,000. That's $9,900 a month. How much?
Okay, you were paying $1,242. Do you want me to increase it back?
Nah, it's cool.
Oh, okay. So you don't have any more questions, right?
Nah, it's cool. So
Okay.
800.
$825.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Nothing further.
That's it.
The answer is no, right?
Yes.
Because your child support got reduced. You got what you were looking for, right? Okay. Anything further from you? Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
At least you got your.
Have it the judge ruled in favor of reducing Mr. Cruz's child support, but not as much as he might have wanted. While he argued financial strain, the ex point out some shady contradictions, and let's be real, those arguments didn't hold up too well. The key takeaway here: child support is based on income, not convenience. You can't just shift financial responsibility because life changes. What do you think? Was this a fair ruling, or should the judge have ruled differently? Let us know in the comments, and if you love these courtroom breakdowns, hit that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping cases. See you next time.